Say hi, Diamond. You are looking to get into some shit. But you can't. Aw. You make me happy. I love you. As much as I love Def Leppard and Franz Ferdinand. Yes, I do. I should have named you Hysteria. Guys, we were just waiting for my little teleprompter to come up. And I have people in the background that you guys can't see doing stuff. And Diamond here likes to get into things. Diamond is a Chihuahua Jack Terrier mix. And although she looks more Chihuahua, the Jack Terrier in her loves to get into things. Right, Chi-Chi? Chi-Chi. Watch this, guys. She doesn't like this noise. Watch. No, she's trying to... She don't like fork sounds. You can't get away now because I got you in my arm. Okay. My mic. I put my mic on. Ah, no! Diamond! You're so... No, look at you. You are a little terror. Stop. No. Off the... Diamond! Oh, stop it. Stop. No. Sit down. Diamond. Oh, right on my paper. Come here. Oh, yeah. My desk's already a mess. Okay, guys, are we ready to rock and roll? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? You are on my mic. You're covering my mic, so you're gonna have to get on this side. You're all tangled up in the mic. Oh, ouch! You on my Bueller and Kershaw. Yeah, I changed them from Shaq and Kobe to Bueller and Kershaw. For those who are not into baseball, Walker Bueller and Clayton Kershaw are the pitchers for the world champion Los Angeles Dodgers. Go Blue! Come here. Oh, I caught me a Dodger dog. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Sunny LaRue Presents. I'm your host, Sunny LaRue, the professional martini drinking blogger. And in today's video, hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Sunny LaRue Presents. I am your host, Sunny LaRue, known as the professional martini drinking blogger. And today's video, we're going to go behind the scenes. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Sunny LaRue Presents. I'm your host, Sunny LaRue, known as the professional martini drinking blogger. Today's video, we're going to go behind the scenes. I'm going to show you behind the scenes of some of my videos and share with you some tips and trips Trips? Really? Trips? No trips. Taps. And trips. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sunny LaRue Presents. I'm your host. I have asthma. And it's been a pretty tough morning. Went out for a walk in the early hours. And it was cold. So it's triggering my asthma. So I gotta go take my inhaler. Mommy gotta take her inhaler. Look, 2 inhalers, guys. Wow. Yep. And a dog. Hi. Hi, Dime. Oh. These are definitely blooper videos.